Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Shazwani binti Zainal. So here we'd like to present about the supply chain management of L'Oreal Malaysia. So let's start. Here's my team member for this group that's going on this presentation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Izzuddin bin Izzuddin from 3 BMFG. My metric number is B0520101124. Okay, introduction of supply chain management, SCM. Supply chain management is the oversight of materials, information and finance distributed from supplier to consumer. Supply chain management involves coordinating this flow of materials within a company and to the end consumer. The supply chain also includes all the necessary stock between the supplier and the consumer.
Moving on to the company background of L'Oreal, where the history behind this brand name and each company have been made. These are the founder of L'Oreal with the name given Eugene Squeller, a French chemist. L'Oreal was founder who developed an innovative hair color formula which was sold to Parisian hairdresser in 1907. The first hair color dyes, which called Aureole, has some unique property in that it did not damage hair while coloring it. On 1920, the company employed 3 in-house chemists and exported hair color products around the world. During 1930, L'Oreal extended its product portfolio to include skincare and sun-tanning products. Following World War II, L'Oreal diversified its product and brands to gradually include all types of cosmetic products. To expand this L'Oreal brand into a big challenge, where L'Oreal used advertising in major way to market its product. The L'Oreal, also founded in 1995, Malaysia, is based in Kuala Lumpur with a committed team of people who share the same can-do spirit. To meet the beauty needs of local people, L'Oreal has successfully promoted 14 of their brands in Malaysia, offering the most technology-advanced product in every beauty category. Their priority and commitment to reduce the impact of their activity on the planet and bolster positive socio-economic the impact on the life of people and community in Malaysia. At L'Oreal, they care for animal welfare and do not test on animals. Since 1989, 14 years before the regulation required to do so, they have not tested the safety of their product on animals. L'Oreal pioneered the development of human reconstructed skin that can be used.
Hi, my name is Ansofia Kamal. I'm going to present about structure of SCM. First one is raw materials, production, distribution, use, and end of life. Raw materials is to manufacture a quality cosmetic product. A meticulous selection of high caliber raw materials and packaging is essential. For production is very fragmented with thousands of small farms. L'Oreal is taking action on the ground to help organize the sector and make it sustainable. For distribution, L'Oreal has acquired many companies to increase its brand presence. It has grown and made a presence in 5 continents and 130 countries. For use, the products are available at cosmetic stores, department stores, on-brand boutiques, salons, retail outlets, pharmacies, and even e-commerce websites. The company has tie-ups with various e-commerce websites and its website. Lastly, end of life. Reduce the weight and size of packaging or remove them and promote rechargeable or refillable system and multi-doses to replace single doses. This is activities adopted by L'Oreal in environment. First one is eco-design stores. Lancome Boutique at One Utama Kuala Lumpur is the first eco-design store under L'Oreal Malaysia networks. Second one is reduction of single-use plastic and boxes. The company is testing the use of reusable boxes to reduce the number of cardboard box and plastic shrink wrap in its warehouse and supply chain. The second one is Solidarity Program. L'Oreal Malaysia has launched its Solidarity Program in support of the dedicated medical frontliners who have worked selflessly to aid the nation's fight against the coronavirus pandemic. Last one is advertising, spreading video. L'Oreal is also concerned about advertising, which is through social media as shown in the picture. The idea of doing this vlog is very effective where the community now likes to spread interesting info, especially about health and skincare.
Next, impacts to organizations. First, the sustainability standards set by L'Oreal may not be met by all of its suppliers. Second, it's possible that local objectives and demands are not always perfectly aligned with the sustainability requirement. Last, there may be a need for L'Oreal to give its supplier more help and assistance. Limitation and problems. Environment. In the context of a globalized supply chain and the increased geographic concentration of certain supply source, the failure of an external supplier to deliver raw materials, fillings, and packing components. The L'Oreal Group, with its 88 industrial sites, including 4 classified as Seveso high threshold, is exposed to various industrial risks related to the environment. Economy. Annual growth in the number of individual shareholders holding their shares in registered form is observed. The financial communication team also reached out to the investor and analysts at meeting and conference call when the annual results are published. Social. Consumer habits are constantly evolving, which is both a challenge and an incredible source of motivation for us.
Suggestion idea on improving the sustainability in the L'Oreal. In general, the suggestion idea very important for a better communication where can increase innovation and problem solving. Okay, back to previous slide where the impact to organization that be more limitation and then its problem, which can cause bad impression for the status of L'Oreal if they cannot take their actions seriously. So here the suggestion where delivering service of customers experiences by quality controls and regulation. In example, L'Oreal must make 100 or more quality control for each one of their product cosmetic product over the course of the production cycle, from the design to sourcing of raw materials and packaging, manufacturing and distribution. L'Oreal must make sure that the product is perfect at every stage of productions. Next suggestion is nurture supplier relationship by L'Oreal Campus for Supplier, buy and care program and promoting collaborative innovation. Lastly is empowering the talent which are training for success and rewarding excellences. With this suggestion, hope the L'Oreal will be more improvised with quality and service in the process of sustainability.